Hey friends, this is Wendy. I'm so excited you're here with me today. I want to make sure that you know this is a really quick video today. I just wanted to show you how to make this really cute pumpkin using the Curvy Keepsake die and Harvest Hello stamp set. So I've cut a pumpkin pie Curvy Keepsake out, and I'm using Soft Suede ink with the plaid or buffalo check, whichever you want to call it, stamp, and I'm going to stamp just on 3 panels of the Curvy Keepsake, and then I'm going to use the same ink color to stamp the smiley face from Harvest Hellos, and it's just the absolute perfect size to turn this little Curvy Keepsake into a sweet little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. So I stamped it a little high. I would recommend stamping it a little bit lower. I didn't really test it out. I just knew it would work great. So there's that. The other thing is, if you wanted your pumpkin face to be on the outside, you could do that too. But I really wanted his face to line up with and be kind of tucked under there. So you can see here, I should have moved him down just a little bit. He's a little high. That's okay though. And then we're going to use the leaf ribbon to create his little leaves on the top. And I have to tell you, I've had this ribbon sitting in my stash for ever, and I've never used it. First time using it, and this is the most brilliant way to use it ever. I love it. So the thing I love about this is the person can just take this ribbon off very easily and don't have to like tear anything up to get into the box. So I'll probably put caramels in here or a little chocolate or just something fun, a little treat for them to have. And I'm going to show you the other one I made before I made this one. It's so ugly. My ideas were good, and I just wanted to show it to you because I feel like sometimes people think that people who are demonstrators or who do videos and stuff come out of the gate swinging every time, and no, look at that. I wanted to use the googly eyes, and I took these right here and used the black blends marker to color on top of them to kind of darken them up. And so my idea was cute, but it just didn't execute well, and that happens. So these are the 2. You tell me which one you like best. I like the one that's like clean and simple and looks finished the best, which is the stamped one. Okay, if you want to shop with me and purchase any of these items, you can click the link below in the description. Click on either image you see here to watch another video. Click the circle with my face in it to subscribe. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!